If you want to learn how to make your own ragdoll system demonstrated as such, then go ahead and continue to watch this video and you can achieve just that. First, go to your Explorer panel and go down to Starter Player. From here, go to Starter Character Scripts and insert a script. Next, once you open that, go ahead and type out these variables. Local character equals script.parent and local hum equals character find first child humanoid. We get into character, which is a script.parent because the script is inside starter character script. And we're getting humanoid because that's what we need to make the ragdoll system. Following that, we're going to make a loop, which is a repeated loop. Repeat task.wait until humanoid, waiting until the humanoid is loaded in. Then we're going to make break joints on death false. So whenever the character dies, their joints aren't broken apart and they fall out like Lego pieces. So hum.break joints on death equals false. Now we're going to check whenever the humanoid dies. So hum.died connect function. We're going to type out a for IV in pairs loop. So for IV in pairs, character get descendants do. We're getting all the descendants of the character and we're going to check for a certain part. And that part is a motor 6D. So we're going to do another for IV in pairs. Well, I lied. We're going to do an if statement. So if V is a motor 6D, then if you're wondering what motor 6D is, it's basically a joint that connects two limbs together. So for example, if you look at this rig here, we have the hand and the arm. The motor 6D between the two would be this attachment right here that's connected the two, which would be called its wrist. Following that, we're going to make a socket. So first, local socket equals instance.new ball socket, and we're going to put it as v.parent. So comma v.parent. We're basically parenting that straight into the motor 6D parent, which should be the arm, the leg, or some kind part of the limb. Then we're going to make two attachments. So local A1 equals instance.new attachment, comma v.part0, and same thing for attachment 2. Then we're also going to get the C frame for that. So we're going to get the C frame for the motor 6D. So A1.cframe equals v.co, and same thing for attachment 2. A2.cframe equals v.c1. Now we're going to assign the socket attachment, which is attachment 1 and 2. So socket.attachment 0 equals A1 and socket.attachment 1 equals A2. We're now going to set the limitations for the socket so the character, when they become a ragdoll, aren't clipping through each limb. So socket.limits enabled equals true and socket.twist limits enabled equals true. Then we're going to destroy the last motor 6D, which is the attachment that connects between the two limbs. So we replaced it with our own socket so they're able to become a ragdoll and flop around. Now if we go ahead and test this out, as you can see, once I reset my character, he becomes a ragdoll and flops over. Let's give it another go. Cool. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And comment down below what you'd like to see next. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.